hard to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true.
So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog, Kate Winslet. So earlier you saw dun sa initial video clip, I did some unboxing. So I'll just do a quick review regarding the item I got from Decathlon, Malaysia. So initially nakita nyo yung time-lapse. It's all about the, what you call this? Let me get the box. This is what you call the, let me read it. It's the, ano ba ito? Technically, it's the hydration waist belt or waist bag, wherein it's Decathlon partnered siya sa Rockrider. So if you've watched my previous unboxing and basic review, I did a hydration backpack review before. You saw this, yan. So but this time, it's now the waist bag. So hydration siya with the sa waist naman. so ito siya. And then I'll provide the description of the exact model type nung backpack. So let me show it. Tada! Ito siya. So this is the Decathlon Rockrider waist, which is, basahin ko na yung actual description. It's the AM HydraBelt black color. So it's AM HydraBelt. I really don't know what do you mean by AM, but I think this is series ng Rockrider yon, which is ito siya. So nakita yung may AM, yan yun. So ito siya. This is the Rockrider hydration waist bag. So far, kung titingnan ko yung pinaka material niya, maganda. Okay naman siya. Tingnan muna natin yung outer part ng bag. So here you can see merong parang easy pocket that you can put your power bar while cycling. So on the other side, ganun din, but the difference is may zipper. And so maybe yung mga loose change, coins, and whatnot. And then in front is there are two parts ng compartment. One is this portion. Meron siyang Velcro type. Okay. Nilagyan ko na pala siya ng mga gamit. Just to test lang yung bulkiness niya. So ito siya. So ganito ang concept. So merong zipper dito. You can put your tools while you're doing cycling. Dito, it's up to you. Money, spare change. But may symbol. Pwedeng lagyan na ng your chain connector. So, and then here, nilagay ko yung spare inner tube ko. And then may portion dito, you can put your cell phone, some other tools that you, in this section, you can put your cell phone and some other tools. Ayan. So, kung isasara ko ulit siya, ganito yung concept niya. Give me a sec. Baba nga natin ulit yung camera. Yan. So, there you go. So, medyo, for me, very affordable siya sa lahat ng mga hydration waist bag or belt bag. And just to give you an idea, how much does it cost? I will base it in Malaysian ringgit. This is 159 ringgit. So technically, mga 1,900, hindi pa aabot ng 2,000. So, and I will say, it really has a good material. So ito yan. So I showed you the outer earlier and a portion of the outer pocket. Excuse me. And then it indicates here, it has a 1.5 hydration bag. So I'll open it. This is the main compartment wherein you can still put some other items and you will see the actual hydration bladder technically. Ayan. So nilagyan ko rin naman siya para lang to test and like pamunas. And then I place my hand pump. But mainly ito yung hydration bladder and it's a 1.5 liters. And ito yung pinaka main compartment. So just to give you an idea, ang maganda lang dito is all hydration backpack. Meron siyang parang how do you call that? Once you put it in your waist, para hindi naman siya nakalaylay lang. Meron siyang parang magnet to hold yung pinaka, kumbaga, yung straw. So I'll show it to you and I will sample wearing it. Let's say given I put some other things here. So ganito lang siya. Let me show it. And the good thing is meron siyang lock system dun sa water bladder para stationary lang siya. So I'll show it, guys. Yan. So technically, naayos ko na to, na-adjust ko na to para kasya sa waist ko. So unlock ko lang yan. Ito siya. Let me show it once I stand up.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back,
Once you're done, maybe or eventually, siguro I'll get used to that. I'll make sure it will catch dun sa area, especially sa magnet area. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see it. So while you're doing cycling, okay, and then if you will remove it, obviously you need to do this first, then unlock it, and there you go. So I hope you like this simple unboxing and review. And if you want to order this, if you are in Malaysia, you can go to Decathlon Malaysia, create an account, sign in. And again, this is not a sponsored unless, hey, Decathlon, knock knock. Or if you're in the Philippines, you can also order it in Decathlon Philippines. So luckily, this is an international company wherein you can even order, especially in Asia. We have lots of. So there you go. So without further ado, so this is what we call, again, let me read it. It's called the AM HydraBelt color black under by Rockrider, but it is partnership with Decathlon. So if you reach this portion, so please like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified for future and incoming video just like this one. Okay? So again, ulitin ko, I will use this over the weekend and I'll do cycling. So always remember, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat and have a great day.
if you never love me back, told me that I always had to be good. But being good always been problems, it's true.